Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 2 science. Already we have discussed lesson 2 children. Now we will discuss exercises bit. First and second bit. It's in your page number 18. Textbook page number 18. Open your textbook, science textbook, page number 18 children. Page number 18, lesson 2. Lesson 2 exercises. Lesson 2 exercises. What was our lesson? Same about family. About family. How many types of families we learned in this lesson? 2 types. Small family, big family. Small family, big family. Small family means only mother, father, children living together. Big family, large family, where father, mother, children, grandparents. Grandparents, who are grandparents? Grandparent means grandmother, grandfather. Your daddy's parents or your mother's parents are grandparents to you. So all living together is a big family. Yes, is it clear children? And also we learned about festivals. We learned about festivals, no children? How we will celebrate festival? We will enjoy festivals with our family members, relatives and neighbors. How you should be with your neighbors? You should be friendly with your neighbors. You should not fight with your neighbors. In this we will discuss this first bit and second bit children. It's in page number 18. Page number 18. A small family is called a, here you can see the options given. 2 options are given. A small family is called, 2 options are given. Nuclear family or joint family. Nuclear family means small family. Joint family means big family. Nuclear family means small family. Joint family means big family. So a small family is also known as nuclear family. A small family is also known as nuclear family. And nuclear, nuclear. Says children, a small family is called a nuclear family. And nuclear, nuclear. Free kitchen during Guru Purab is called. See the options in your textbook. Who will celebrate this festival children? Guru Purab. Sikh people will celebrate this festival. They will go to Gurudwara on the day to worship, and they will have a big kitchen. They will prepare food. They will serve food to everyone, those who come to Gurudwara on that day. So where they will have that meal, no, that is known as langar or alwa. Langar, the meal they will have together in Gurudwara. The meal that they will have together in Gurudwara is known as langar. 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 Say children. Langar. Langar. The meal that they will all sit in Gurudwara and they will have a meal. That meal is known as langar. Next, during Eid we make a special dish. What is the special dish made on Eid day? Here 2 options are given, sevia or laddu. Sevia. So write sevia here. SEVIYAN. Sevia. People clean their homes during. When we will clean our home, when we will decorate our home with lights, flowers, on Holi day or Diwali day? Yes, on Diwali day we will clean each and everything in our house and we will decorate our house with lights, flowers and rangolis. So here Holi and Diwali is given. Which is correct? Diwali. Say spelling DIWALI. Diwali. Now once again we will read A, SMALL, small, FAMILY, family, IS, is, CALLED, called, NUCLEAR, nuclear. Say NUCLEAR, nuclear. FAMILY, family. FREE, free. KITCHEN, kitchen. DURING, during. GURPURAB, Guru Purab. IS is, CALLED, called. LANGAR, langar. LANGAR, langar. DURING, during. EID, Eid. MAKE, make. SPECIAL, special. DISH, dish. CALLED, called. SEWAIYAN, Savian. PEOPLE, people. CLEAN, clean. THEIR, there. HOMES, homes. DURING, during. DIWALI, Diwali. DIWALI, Diwali. Next bit is match the following. Did you finish this first bit, children? Come on, write first bit in your textbook very neatly. Now move to the second bit. What is the second bit? Match the following. Yes, here festival names are given. Here in this national festivals also there, and also religious festivals. Christmas is what? Religious festival. Holi, religious festival. Diwali, religious festival. Gandhi Jayanti, national festival. National festivals are celebrated by whole of the country. All the people in this world will celebrate national festivals. How many national festivals we have? 3 national festivals. What are they? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are 3 national festivals that whole country will celebrate together. Christmas, Diwali, Eid, all these are religious festival. Only particular religious people only will celebrate this festival. Now we will match these festivals to the sentences given. We will read the sentences here also. Diya and candles. Diya and candles. What are diyas? Lamps what you keep in Diwali time, no, in front of the doors. They are diyas. And candles, all no candle. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? Father of our nation. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Because of him only he fought for the freedom of our country. Birthday, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. When is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday celebrated? 2nd October. Every year on 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated and it is a national holiday on the day. It is a national festival. Mahatma Gandhi birthday. Play with colors. When you play with colors, when you apply colors on each other faces, Holi. Jesus Christ's birthday. Jesus Christ's birthday. When we will celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday? On 25th December. It's the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born on that day, 25th December. So who will celebrate this festival? Christians will celebrate. Now we will draw line and match. We will draw line and match. Draw straight lines properly, children. Christmas. Where is Christmas? We already read all this. No, Jesus Christ's birthday. Christmas is celebrated because it is on the day Jesus Christ was born. So Christmas, birthday of Jesus Christ. Draw line, straight line. Next, Holi. What is Holi? Play with colors. What we will do on Holi day? We will play with colors. So Holi number 3. Play with colors. Holi number 3. You will draw line. Play with colors. Next, Diwali. What we will do on Diwali day? We will light diyas and candles. On Diwali day, we will light diyas and candles. So, C to 1. C to 1 draw line. C to 1 draw line. Next, Gandhi Jayanti. Why we will celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Because Gandhi was born on that day, 2nd October. So, D to 2. D to 2. Like this straight lines you draw in your textbook also, children. Page number 18. Come on, do it. First bit and second bit. See, I gave you. Write exercise 1 and 2. This 1 and 2 in your textbook. 1 and 2 in your textbook. What is your homework? Write fill in the blanks in classwork. This fill in the blanks. These 4 fill in the blanks you will copy in your classwork. You have learned new terms, children, all the hard words. Yes. Once again, read the new terms. Once again, read the new terms. By heart it. You should get all the words in that new terms thoroughly. After new terms, we have this fill in the blanks, children. Write it, fill in the blanks, 4 fill in the blanks in classwork neatly. Is it clear? This first bit, second bit you will do in textbook. But in classwork you will write only first bit. But in classwork you will write only fill in the blanks. See, write fill in the blanks in classwork. These 4 fill in the blanks you will copy in classwork also. Now once again we'll read. Come on, put finger in your textbook. Read. A small family is called a nuclear family. Small family is also known as nuclear family. Big family is also known as joint family. Free kitchen during Guru Prab is called langar. During Eid we make a special dish called Seviyan. People clean their homes during Diwali. Christmas, Jesus Christ's birthday. Christmas, Jesus Christ's birthday. Holi, Play with colors. Holi, on Holi day what we'll do? We'll play with colors. Diwali, diyas and candles. We light diyas and candles. Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi birthday. Gandhi Jayanti means Mahatma Gandhi was born on that day. Is it clear, children? Copy this. And question answers, children. What is a joint family? Can you say me? Joint family where father, mother, children, grandparents living together is a joint family. These all question answers you are given in your answer key book, children. Copy from your key book. Copy from your key book. Second one, name any two national festivals when they are celebrated. How many national festivals we have? 3. What are they? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. You can write any of the 2 festivals and when it is celebrated. Suppose if you are writing Republic Day, write Republic Day 26 January, Independence Day 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Then which is your favorite festival? How do you celebrate it? You third one, you should write which is your favorite festival. Suppose Diwali is your favorite festival. You should write Diwali is my favorite festival. How you will celebrate Diwali? I enjoy playing with my family and friends. I enjoy eating lots of sweets on that day. So you can write any 2 sentences, children. How can we look after our pets? How we should take care of our pets? Pets stay with us in our house, so we should take care of them. We should take care of how? By giving them proper food and water to drink. How we should take care of our pets? By giving proper food and water to drink. And also when they are sick, we should take them to the vet doctor. These all question answers already it's given in your key book, children. Copy from your key book and write it neatly in your textbook. Today's work is in your these 2 bits in textbook and fill the blanks in your classwork. Is it clear, children? Do it and also answers also copy from your key book very neatly. Is it clear, children? Do your work neatly. Thank you, children.